And so it's important for us to know how to end a while loop. And so one way to end a while loop is to change the expression so that it's not something that's always going to be true forever and ever. And we can change our previous program pretty simply so that we have an expression here that now measures the value of x and says, while x is less than 4, do this. Well, x starts out less than 4. It starts out at 1. 1 is less than 4. That's true. So it'll do this, print, and then it'll do this, which is, what is it doing here? You remember what this operator is called, plus equals? It's called an increment operator. So it increments x by 1. So it basically says, whatever x is, let's add 1 to it. So now x is equal to 2, and it's reached the end of the loop code. So it's going to go back up, and it's going to do this test again. It's going to say, while 2 is less than 4. Is that true? 2 is less than 4? Yes, it's true. So we're going to print, and we're going to increment again. X is now equal to 3. Is it still true? Yes. Print, now x is equal to 4. When we go back up here and we say, is 4 less than 4? No, it's not true. So at this point, it exits the loop. And whatever code is next will be executed. Let's observe that in reality. So instead of this, we're going to put x is less than 4. And just for fun, I'm going to say this at the end. So notice this line is not part of the loop. It's unindented. It's part of the main thread of the program. So this is not going to happen 4 times. This is going to happen once after the loop is finished. So when I run this, notice it says it's true 0 because the first time x is equal to 0. It's true 1. It's true 2. It's true 3. It never prints it's true 4 because when 4 is equal to 4, it's no longer less than 4. So it's going to jump down straight to this line, and then it says we've counted to 4. So if I actually want to count to 4, I would change that condition in the expression to 4 is less than or equal to 4. And then when I run that again, now it actually has counted to 4. So you want to pay attention because although everything here says 4, 4, and I'm counting to 4, how many times did this loop run? 5 times. So if I want to do something 5 times, then I would start at 0 and I would go until it's equal to 4. You just need to keep that straight in your head sometimes, because sometimes when you're looping, you want to do something a certain number of times. And so you need to keep track of what am I starting at and what is it going to? What's going to be the condition to stop it? How many times will that loop actually run? Because it can get a little bit confusing. It's good to test your theories on those sorts of things.